So hello everyone, we have new arrival in the lot. So I have those two. Some of them call them New England Tumblers, and some other ones call them Uzbekistan Tumblers. Are pretty similar to the ones I have down, just the difference is that those underneath have a smaller mouth and shorter nose compared to those two that are a little bit bigger in the body compared to them, and also a bigger mouth, a bigger nose. I really like them. I just got them today from my father-in-law, and are pretty clean pigeons, pretty good ones, beautiful ones, and I really want to see what kind of babies they're gonna have, and if any of you has any idea what they call them in their area, or what is their correct name, you are most welcome to let me know and to correct me, and in this way we can call them in the right name. But all I know is that those pigeons, for what I searched, those pigeons are in Uzbekistan, are in England, like common pigeons around the world. Just some people call them in different names in different areas. So have a good one everyone.